ফার্স্ট নাম্বার কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, ইন দ্য সিকোয়েন্স অফ প্ল্যানেটস ইন দ্য সোলার সিস্টেম হুইচ ইজ প্ল্যানেট কামস ইন বিটুইন মার্স অ্যান্ড স্যাটার্ন। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, Jupiter. In the sequence of planets in the solar system, which is planet come in between Mars and Saturn? Explain there the order of the planet in the solar system. The starting to nearest the Sun and working outward is the following: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Second number, the inner to four planets close to the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are often to called an terrestrial planet, and the four large outer worlds, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, are something called the Jovian. Jupiter is planet. Next question. 2 number question কি বলছে, the planetary scientists call the thin gaseous envelope around the moon as the। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, lunar explorer. The planetary scientists call the gaseous envelope around the moon. Explain their 2 number question. Planetary scientists prefer to call the thinnest gaseous envelope around the moon as the lunar exposure, since the thinnest, that is gaseous atoms, to very rarely to collide with each other. According to ISRO, argon 240 are organized from the radioactive distinction and potassium 40K. Next question. 3 number question কি বলছে, যে Lucifer is another name for the planet। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, Venus. The Lucifer is another name for the planet. Next, explain their question. Lucifer is a Latin name for the planet of Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the moon. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, the second smallest planet. Saturn is the sixth planet from our Sun and orbit at a distance of about 886 million miles. Next question. 4 number question কি বলছে, যে objects that shine in the night sky are known as। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, celestial bodies. Just objects that shine in the night of the sky are known as। 4 number question, explain there. A natural celestial object is the visible in the sky and such is in the star. Planet is natural satellite in asteroids, comet, the moon or the sun. 2 number, a constellation is a group of the stars that appears to form the pattern of picture. For example, to Orion the Great in Hunter, to Leo the Lion, or Taurus the Bull. Asteroid are a small is rocky object that is orbit the sun. A meteoroid is a small rocky and metallic body in outer space. Next question. 5 number question কি বলছে, which of the following the planet is not in a Jovian planet। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে যে যেটি Jovian planet নয়? Number A, Mars is not a Jovian planet. Jovian planet is Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn. Is than Jovian planet. 5 number question, and explain there. Mercury, Venus and Mars have its chemical and physical properties similar to Earth and are referred to as terrestrial planets. The word terrestrial comes from the Latin word terra, meaning in land. On the other end in the spectrum are in gas giants known as a Jovian planet. This is a Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They are level to Jovian after Jupiter, the largest of the group. The word in Jovian comes from Jove, another to name of the Roman god and Jupiter. Next question. 6 number question কি বলছে in the life of cycle of the star the stage the nebula refers to এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, the stage is when the outer two layers expand, cool down and become too less bright. In the cycle of the star stage of the nebula refers. 6 number question explain there. And some is nebula, more than one nebula come from in gas and dust thrown out by the explosion of the dying star, such as the supernova. Nebula just exist in the space between the star, also known as in interstellar space. The closest to known is nebula to Earth is called the Helix Nebula. Next question. 7 number question কি বলছে Europa is a natural satellite of এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, Jupiter. Just Europa is a natural satellite of 7 number question explain there. Europa is the smallest of the Galilean moons of Jupiter and the sixth closest natural satellite to the planet. Galileo discovered it along with Ganymede and Callisto. And despite it is being the smallest of the Galilean moons, it is still one of the largest moon in our solar system. Next question. 8 number question কি বলছে the physics phenomena when in a polar regions to like Alaska and northern Canada a splendid in display on colors is the seen in the sky is called an এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, aurora borealis, the physical phenomena when just polar regions to Alaska and northern Canada and a splendid display of the color is in the sky and called. 8 number question explain there. Aurora borealis do sometimes to refer to as polar light in northern lights and southern lights natural to light to display toward the sky. They predominantly stood into high to latitude regions. The incredible to light in show is caused by a collision in between two electrically charged particles released from the sun, that is the earth, to atmosphere in collide within gaseous as oxygen and nitrogen. The light and seen to around to magnetic poles the northern and southern hemisphere. Next question. 9 number question কি বলছে in India the Uranus major in constellation is also known as এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, Saptarishi in India and Uranus major constellation is also known as. 9 number question to explain there. In Hindu to legend, the brightest star of Uranus major to represent the 7 sages and then constellation is known as Saptarishi. The sages in question then in Bhrigu, Arti, Angarsya, Vashistha, Pulasya, Pulaha and Kratu. Ursa major in constellation to lies the northern sky. It is the name means that is great bear or the larger bear in the Latin. Next question. 10 number question কি বলছে in the solar system among the planet to listed below which is planet is the farthest from the sun? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, Neptune in the solar system. This is the planet to listed on the below. Just planet is farthest from the sun. 10 number question is explained there. Since the demotion of Pluto as a planet in 2016, then Neptune is now the farthest major planet from the sun. At 4.5 billion kilometer, 2.8 billion miles from the sun, it orbits and 5.45 kilometer, 3.38 miles per second, taking to 164.79 years to complete the orbit.